Let me show you how to make 5-inch balloon clusters that can be used to fill up your balloons and give it the texture and beauty. I have here my 5-inch balloons. I'll just inflate them and I'll show you the next step. I'm just pressing them down to make it round. See, they look like a pear, so I'm going to press them down to look round so that they can look professional and beautiful. Now I have 8 balloons of 5-inch. I'm going to, after pairing them, I make them into quarts like this. Okay, you could make 3, you could make 4, you could make, it depends on how big you want it to look. And I'm also going to put this in quarts. Now I have these 2. Here I have my 260 balloon. I'm going to cut it into 2 and use 1 because it is very stretchy. Okay, so I'm going to tie it here to one of my clusters. I'll double tie it so that it is secured, and I'll do the same thing on this one. Good. Now that we have our cluster, you see how beautiful that looks. Okay, now that we have it like this, it is easier to hang it onto your balloon garland just by pulling it like this and then inserting it into your garland that's already built, and it's going to give your balloon garland some beautiful texture. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.